Welcome to the channel. It looks like you're dealing with one of the most frustrating situations. Your Samsung phone is locked. You've forgotten the password, and you can't even turn it off because everything requires that password. But don't worry, there is a solution, and it's easier than it seems. In fact, there is more than one way. The laziest option is to simply wait for the battery to die. It works without any extra steps. But let's be honest, like most phone owners, you're probably not willing to sit around waiting for that to happen. It takes too long and doesn't really solve the problem. You can press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. After about 10–15 seconds, the phone will force restart. This does not erase your data, it's just a forced reboot. However, the phone will turn off, turn back on, and immediately ask for the password again. If you want to turn the phone off completely without entering the password, you'll need to do something slightly more advanced. Connect the phone to a computer or another phone. Then press and hold the power button and volume down again. As soon as the screen goes black, quickly switch to holding power and volume up instead. Keep holding them until you see the recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to scroll to power off. Then press the power button to confirm. That's it. The phone is completely turned off, and you can finally go to sleep. Now, watch how I do it.